Welcome to my YouTube channel. I think everyone are doing great. So today we are going to see a basic uh, topics on JavaScript which are going to use in ServiceNow development. So I hope the ServiceNow admin part playlist is completed. I have uploaded in ServiceNow playlist all the videos so which are necessary. So from next we are going to start a development part. So before starting a development part we need to know some topics on JavaScript. So only basic JavaScript topics if we are knowing, it is fine to start development part. Okay, so let's see the JavaScript topics today's class. Okay, so this is day one of, we'll continue the days. We don't want to miss the class 14th, and today is class 15th of JavaScript. Okay, class 15th, sorry, topic is on JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is an object oriented programming language, guys. JavaScript is a object oriented programming language. Okay, so here basically we'll be seeing the basic, like there will be a variables in JavaScript. So variables is nothing but a container which stores the data, or you can call it as a placeholder also. Okay, so and we can see here these are variables. Okay, and we have keywords in JavaScript. So what are the keywords we have? We have var, we have let, we have const. These are the keywords we are having in JavaScript. So and we'll be having data types. We have string data type, we have number. You can see in Java language we have a int and float data types, but in JavaScript we have only number. Int and float both we can write in numbers, decimal. Okay, float comes under decimals. And we have a boolean data type. Okay, and we have a object, array, all these things. Okay, these and all comes in data types. So next we will be seeing operators. What are the operators we have in JavaScript? We have equal operator. Okay, this is assignment operator. Okay, we are assigning some data in a variable. So single equal means assignment operator. So double equal means comparison operator. Triple means comparison with data type. I will tell you in the difference between these two later. And we have a arithmetic operator. Those are arithmetic. Okay, so we have plus operator, minus, we have star, multiplication, and we have a division. Okay, these are arithmetic operators. And we have conditional operators, conditional statement. Sorry, we have conditional statement. Those are if condition, we have if else condition, we have else if conditions. Okay. If you talk about loops in JavaScript, okay, we are going to see only for and while loop. Okay, these two loops are more than enough, and we have a function. Function func this is the syntax of function. Okay, we have functions here. Okay, so let's dive into a compiler. Okay, JavaScript online compiler. So here we'll see some basic coding of JavaScript. Okay, so guys, so data type we are using here string. Okay, so it's loading. It's okay. So here let's take keyword var. Here we will be taking a string called I am a ServiceNow developer. Okay, so like this we have to write in JavaScript. We have to use to print. We have to use console.log. Console.log. Okay, we have to take var a. Okay, so we have to print a here. So when you click on run, so you can see I'm a ServiceNow developer. Okay, so this compiler is lagging. Okay, yeah, so you can use var b is equal to, you can write a number 2000. Okay, and you can print number also, console.log b. When you click on run, you can see 2000 is, you can see in output. This is string. Okay, if you're putting a 2/ here, okay, that means you're commenting out. You can write whatever you want in a comment. This is for number data type. We'll see boolean now. So let's consider var. You can use var. I have said you can use let. Okay, in JavaScript. Is active. Is active means true. Is not active means false. Okay, false. If you, when you're writing console.log, if you're writing is active, means you have to get true in the output. Okay, you can see if you're writing is not active, you have to get false. This is a basic code I'm writing. Okay, so to get understandable, you can see the different types of data types with example. So now we will see the example for object. Object means key value pair. Okay, object means key value pair. Example, we'll consider a var of a person. Okay, so here person we will write his name as Ram. Okay, and we'll write his age as 20. So this is a person. Okay, a person, his name is a person name is Ram and his age is 20. So we are going to print this one. While printing we have to write a console dot log. Okay, we have to write person object dot name. So when you write console dot log person dot, we are printing his name, person dot name, we are printing name. So when you click on run, you can see Ram is displayed in the output. If you want his age, simply you can write console.log person.age. That's all. As simple as that. Click run. You can see his age. Okay. Bracket. I have missed this bracket here. Click run once again. Yeah, you can see the name is Ram and the age is 20. This is how you can use object. Okay, first of all, object means that is a key value pair. So this is a key, name is a key, and Ram is a value. Here name is a age and the value for age is 20. This is a object example, guys. So next we'll see the example for arrays. Array. Okay, let's consider a var keyword. We'll give a name fruits. So in array we have to write in a brackets. Okay, so fruits, let's give an apple, strawberry, so mango. So now there is a mango season is coming. Okay, and we'll give grapes. These are all the array which are going to store in a fruits. Okay, so now we want to display apple in our output. Write console.log, write fruits, and here we have to write apple index number. Here index number starts in array is 0. Apple is in 0 place, strawberry is in 1th place, mango is in 2nd place, and grapes is in 3rd place. Okay, write 0 and run the code. You can see apple is displayed. If you write 2 here in fruits, okay, the index 2 gives mango. So this is how array works, guys. Okay, I think you guys got how it works, all the data types. So now we'll see the if conditions. Okay, if conditions, let Ram This compiler is too much difficult to use. Guys, it's lagging too much. Okay, so if condition we are writing, if ram age is greater than or equal to 18, he is eligible to give a vote. Okay, so we'll write a console.log statement. Ram is eligible to vote in 2026. Else, if is below 18 age, he is not eligible. Console.log and write not eligible. So what I am doing here, Ram, Ram is a person, okay, and his age is 22. I am writing a condition in here that if Ram is greater than 18 age, so voter, the one person should be above 18 or he has to complete his 18th birthday. Okay, so then he is eligible to vote in our India. Okay, so if Ram is above 18 or equal to 18, so I am printing the statement that Ram is eligible to vote in 2026. If he is below 18, if less than 18, if he is failing this condition, okay, if this condition is passing, he will be able to eligible to vote this time. If he is not eligible to vote, that means if he is failing this condition, okay, he is below 18, then this condition is printed not eligible. We'll click on run and we'll see Ram is eligible to vote in 2026. If see here, if Ram is on his 16th age, so Ram age now is 16, so here's instead of Ram, so you can see 16. Okay, 16, I will be writing in comment, 16 is less than equal to 18, correct? So now this condition is failing. Okay, this condition is passing, so this will be going to print not eligible, not eligible. Okay, this is how if condition is works, guys. So now we will see if else if condition. Okay, so here only I will be modifying if Ram is greater than 18 or equal to 18, so he will be eligible to vote. Else if, I will write here first one is if Ram is equal to 18, Ram is eligible to vote, Ram is eligible to vote might be in 2026 if he has voter ID. Else if Ram is greater than 20, of course he will be having voter ID, okay, above greater than 20. Okay, so for sure he will vote this time. Okay, if Ram is greater than 20, his age is, for sure he will be voting. Else if he is not exact 18 or if he is not greater than 20 his age, of course he can't able to vote. That is the last condition. Console.log not able to vote. Okay, so we'll see now. So Ram is 16 now, so Ram 16 here, 16 will come, 16 is equal to 18, no, this condition will fail and it will come here. 16 is greater than 20, no, it will fail and it will come to last statement, that is not able to vote. Okay, I'm seeing error here. Why I'm seeing error? Syntax invalid, unexpected token. Okay, I have not written inverted comma here. Okay, now we'll run. So we can see Ram is eligible to vote. So here we have to give double equals. This is comparing. Okay, see guys, that's what I had made mistake here. I had put single equal here. Single equal means assignment operator. You are assigning. Okay, here you have to use single operator. RAM is equal to 16. Okay, 16 will be storing under the RAM. This is a placeholder. So here I made mistake. So here what is happening? So 18 is storing in RAM. So this condition is going to become true. So I have to use double equals. Then 16 is equal to 18. It is comparing. This will be comparing operator. At that time, this condition will be going to fail. Then it comes to second condition. Second, what is second condition? Second condition is RAM should be greater than 20. RAM's age is 16. Okay, RAM's age is 16. So 16 comes and stores in RAM. Okay, and it will checks it 16 is greater than 20. No, 16 is less than 20. Okay, so this condition is going to fail again, and it comes to else statement. Okay, else will be printed. Else, what in else? Not able to vote. Console.log not able to vote. It is printing here. Okay, so now we'll give 18. So now Ram has become 18. Okay, he has completed his birthday recently. So we'll click on run. So see now Ram is eligible to vote, might be in 2026 if he has voter ID. So this is first condition is satisfying. Okay, so his age is 18, 18 is equal to 18. Okay, and Ram is eligible to vote. So now Ram has become 25. His age has become 25. Okay, so now he, of course, he should be having voter ID till now. Okay, so this condition will be failing first condition. Okay, and second condition, Ram will be 25 here. 25 is greater than 20. Okay, for sure he will vote this time. Let's click on run and we'll see for sure he will vote this time. This is what if else condition, guys. Okay, and if else if conditions, how it works. Okay, you guys have seen now how the conditions are working. Now we'll see a basic example for loop conditions. Okay, for loop, we'll see for loop. Okay, so for loop we'll write like this. We have to write for, and we have to open a bracket, common bracket, and we have to put keyword let I is equal to 0. This is initializing. Okay, you are initializing 0 in I, and we are writing condition here. I is less than or equal to 5, and we are writing now increment I plus plus, and we are opening flower bracket. So first this is initializing I is equal to 0, and this is condition. We are giving a condition that I should be less than or equal to 5, and here we are giving increment. Plus plus means increment, and we are writing here a print statement console dot log I. So run this statement. So what should be the output? Has to come, output should be output should be 0. Okay, 0 is less than 5. Print here. Okay, so 0 will be printing first, and then 0 will go here in I plus plus means I is equal to I plus 1. I plus plus means, okay, 0 will go here. Okay, this will become I become 0, and 0 plus 1 becomes 1. I will become 1. So I will become 1 here, and then again I will come here. I is less than 5, and it will print here 1. Okay, then again I 1 will become 1 will be going here, increment here. I plus 1 will become 1 plus 1, then it will become 2. Okay, So 2 will be storing in I. Here it will become 2. 2 comes here, 2 is less than 5. Okay, so it will come again here. You will be printing 2 here. Okay, again 2 will be going to increment. I is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 3 goes here initializing. Okay, I will be initialized to 3 guys, and 3 will go to conditions. 3 is less than 5. Okay, print 3, and 3 again will go for increment. I is equal to 3 plus 1. I plus plus means I plus 1. So again it will become 4. Okay, so I will be initialized to 4. So then the condition 4 is less than equal to 5. Again it uh, passes the condition, and console.log I, it will become 4. 4 will be printed here, and again it will be going to increment condition. I is 4 now. I is equal to I plus 1. I means 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So now I becomes 5. 5 will be going to store here in initialization. It will be initialized as a 5, and condition 5 is less than or equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Condition passes again. It will be printing 5 now, and then it will go to increment again. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 now. So again 6 will be initialized to I. I is equal to 6 now. So 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, 6 is greater than 5. So this condition is failing now. Okay, this condition is going to fail now. Okay, so now the condition fails and it will not print 6. The condition is over now. So the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see now. Let's give 0. Okay, everything is correct. Click on run. So we have to get this as a output. Oh my god, error. What is the error? I have put comma here. I have to put semicolon. Click on run. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how for loop work, guys. Okay, I think you got it now. So now last we'll discuss about while loop. While loop is simple. First we will be writing a condition. Okay, let's assume let I is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll be writing a while. So here we'll be writing, first we'll be initializing here. Okay, let I is equal to 0. Here we will be writing a condition. So I is less than equal to 10. Okay, then we'll be opening a flower bracket. We'll be printing a console dot log, and we'll be printing I, and after printing I we'll be giving a increment. Okay, you can see now it comes 0 to 10. Same as for loop. Guys, here when to use for loop and when to use while loop. When you know how many times the loop is going to run, okay, so at that time you have to use a for loop. Okay, when you don't know the condition, okay, how many times it has to run, okay, at that time you have to use while loop. Okay, so that's what yeah, this is all about basics topics on JavaScript. In the next class we'll see in the PDI, so how to open a scripting compiler, okay, in ServiceNow to write a code. We'll see all those things in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.